This is how to transfer files from one Android phone to another using Bluetooth. So let's get started. The first step is to ensure both devices are paired. So to do this, open settings on both your phones. So I'll do that. And once you're here in settings, just go to Bluetooth. Then ensure Bluetooth is enabled and search for the other device on your phone. So as you can see, OnePlus 13 has come on this phone. I'll click on it. Here I've got a pairing request. I'll just click on pair on both devices, and now it's done. This was the first step, and now we'll see how to transfer files. So to do this, just go to the file which you'd want to transfer. So if I want to transfer files from this phone on the left, then here I have to go to the file that I want to transfer. So here I've come to downloads. So here I have some random files which I want to transfer. First, I'll just have to select them by long clicking on them and selecting whichever ones I want to transfer. Then click on share, that's below. So the page may look different if you don't have a Samsung, but you will find this option. And here you can see Bluetooth has come. So if you don't see Bluetooth, you can just scroll through this list and you'll find it. So I'll select Bluetooth. Then here select the other device, that's OnePlus 13. As you can see on this device, I've got a pop-up and I have the option to accept or decline. I'll just click on accept. And as you can see, the transfer took place. And now it's done. So if I go to my files, over here under recent, I can see that these 3 files have come. So it's as simple as that. And the same way, you can transfer different files from one phone to another. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.